I'm Shawn Ousley. I'm here each month to give you 8 tips, 8 maintenance tips, 8 maintenance tasks for your home to keep it in wonderful condition.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for August. 1. Test your home security systems and cameras if installed. 2. Inspect and repair fences and gates. 3. Check water heaters for leaks and flush the system if needed. 4. Clean and lubricate garage door tracks and rollers. 5. Check the exterior paint for peeling and touch-up as necessary. 6. Inspect the septic system, if applicable, and schedule pumping if needed. 7. Inspect and test all exterior doors and locks. 8. Clean and organize closets to prepare for seasonal changes.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number's right here. Have a great and wonderful day.